$6 billion to establish a steel mill in Louisiana operated by Hyundai Steel, capable of producing 2.7 million tons of steel each year. The steel plant, which will supply cars and parts to plants in the U.S., is part of a $21 billion investment that the company will spend over the next 4 years to expand annual production capacity to 1.2 million vehicles. It also plans to invest in energy infrastructure creation and partner with U.S. companies such as NVIDIA and Waymo on technology development. President Donald Trump made the announcement March 24 at a White House press conference alongside Hyundai Motor Group Executive Chairman Yuezhan Chung, Vice Chairman Jae-hoon Chang and Hyundai Steel President Gang Hyun-seo. Trump said the investment was a clear demonstration that tariffs very strongly work. Yuezhan Chung called the $6 billion investment in the Hyundai Steel mill a key part of this commitment and said the Louisiana facility would create 1,300 jobs. It will serve as the foundation for a more self-reliant and secure automotive supply chain in the U.S., Chung said. A free trade agreement is in place between the U.S. and South Korea, but Trump signaled he would impose reciprocal tariffs on nations that tax American goods during his address to Congress on March 4. According to data from Edmunds, Hyundai imports 52.3% of its vehicles from South Korea across all three brands. Expanding its production footprint and localizing its supply chain has been a priority for Hyundai since the microchip shortage that followed the COVID-19 pandemic slowed production, causing industry-wide sales to dip. Hyundai Motor Company CEO Jose Munoz has maintained that investing in North America is a critical piece of the company's strategy, and that investing in the region would help it achieve a leadership position. Hyundai said $9 billion of the overall investment will be earmarked for increasing total annual production capacity to 1.2 million vehicles from 1 million and improving its production facilities. The company operates 3 vehicle factories in the U.S., Hyundai Motor Manufacturing Alabama in Montgomery, Kia Autoland Georgia in West Point, and the Hyundai Motor Group Metaplant America in Bryan County, GA. The Metaplant is part of a $12.6 billion investment that, in addition to an auto factory, includes a $4.3 billion on-site joint venture battery factory with supplier LG Energy Solutions slated to supply battery cells to Metaplant EVs when it comes online at the end of the year. The plant has an annual capacity of 300,000 EVs and has the potential for 200,000 more. It's likely the additional capacity will come from the Metaplant when the company moves into what it has referred to as Phase 2. The Metaplant will have its official opening ceremony on March 26, but it began assembling Ioniq 5 compact crossovers in October. Deliveries of those vehicles began shipping to dealers in December. In addition to the Ioniq 5, Hyundai confirmed its 3-row Hyundai Ioniq 9 will go into production there this spring. 6 EVs are slated to come from the Metaplant. Hyundai also will build hybrids at the Metaplant to keep up with demand, a pivot from its initial plan for the factory to be EV exclusive. The group said it also will spend $6 billion to expand strategic partnerships with companies in the U.S. to develop technology such as autonomous driving. Key initiatives include collaborating with chip manufacturer NVIDIA on autonomous driving and robots and supplying robot access to Waymo's autonomous fleet. Those funds will also be directed toward energy infrastructure projects such as the Iona EV Charging Alliance. Hyundai said it expects its total new investment to create 14,000 jobs in the U.S. by 2028 with an overall economic impact of more than 100,000 direct and indirect job opportunities across related industries. Editor's note: the headline has been updated to clarify how Hyundai could be affected by tariffs.